In this video, you'll learn how to create a Calendly link for scheduling meetings. By following these steps, you will be able to set up a personalized booking link that can be shared with others to streamline your scheduling process. Begin by navigating to the Calendly website. Once you arrive at the main dashboard, look at the left menu. You will see various options available. Click on the option labeled Scheduling. After you click this, the event types page will appear, displaying any existing booking links you may have. Next, you will create a new booking link. In the top right corner of the event types page, find and click the blue button that says Plus Create. A menu will appear prompting you to select the type of event, choose one-on-one from the available options. After making your selection, you will need to fill in some details for your event. In the event setup, begin by entering the event name. For instance, you might type consultation call. Following this, select the duration of the meeting, choosing from options such as 15, 30, or 60 minutes. Once you have completed these fields, click the Continue button to proceed to the next step. Now, set the meeting details. Inside the event setup, you will see an option to add a location. Here, you can choose how the meeting will take place. Options include Google Meet, Zoom, a phone call, or in-person meetings. It is crucial to select a meeting method, as bookings will not function properly without this information. After configuring the meeting details, you will need to save the event. Click on the Save and Close button located at the bottom of the setup screen. Once you complete this step, Calendly will automatically generate your booking link, which you can use for scheduling. To copy your newly created Calendly link, return to the event types page, locate the meeting you just set up. On the right side of the meeting entry, you will see an option labeled Copy Link. Click this to copy the URL to your clipboard, and this link is now your Calendly link that you can share with others.